let's have a look. So I compared it there before, but I mean, massive difference here. This is huge. You just wouldn't wear that on your head. It's far too heavy. Even the beautiful little Skill Hunt HO3, beautiful TIR to spread the beam. Again, this is still smaller, so it's actually beat one of my favorites in size, and I love this light and I use this regularly. So well done, Nitecore, well done, good job. Comparing it to the two heavyweight in regards material anyway, you've got the Illuminate Compass R, very expensive, you know, this is over 100 quid, and the Army Tech, again, another expensive one. These have bigger ratings. You know, 10 meter drop rating on this, for example. This is also a 2 meter waterproofing. These are both IPX, but they have mag bases and mag charging, which adds to weight and it adds to size. So in regards to both of these, it's much smaller, which again is what you don't want. You want something small hanging off your head when you're trying to run. So again, it's beating those. It's much lighter because it hasn't got any superfluous stuff on. Lengthwise, it certainly isn't as good as the this is the, I always forget this one, the Lumentop HL3A, but this is a 90 degrees angle, and you could argue, well, this is protruding more, so it's slightly more liable to jiggle when you're running. So I probably wouldn't use this for running, whereas this is flush against the head. I would probably prefer this. And I'm certainly not going to compare to a super heavyweight like the PL47 Gen 2 here by Fireflies, because this is just massive, huge output, which you wouldn't use for running anyway, because it certainly wouldn't last, and it's massively heavy in comparison to this. So get them out of the way. So I've gone over the good points and the bad points. Let's give this marks out of 10. I was going to give it an 8, but I'm going to have to give it 9, because let's think about this. 5-year warranty, dual beam. You've got the high ends of the spectrum and the low ends of the spectrum in regards to tints. It's a thrower. It's also an orange peel reflector. It's compact, it's quite lightweight. Good headband, USB charging inside. And I just think it's innovative, and it's so refreshing to look at something brand new. I really enjoyed testing this out, especially trying all the different modes and the different tints. I thoroughly enjoyed testing this. And running, I thought, oh, is this a gimmick? No, it works as a running light, or certainly did for me. But if you are going to trail run at night, you know, trail run on certain trail runs, because I don't want you twisting your ankle, and I certainly don't want you in any danger there. And there's not a lot of cons. Yes, I prefer slightly bigger drop rating, but not the end of the world, and the battery capacity could be slightly bigger, but the bigger the battery, the heavier it is, and that's not what you want for running. So 9 out of 10. Well done, Nitecore. I'm so pleased to see something innovative from you. Simple UI, it's on, off. You can go straight to beams and straight to turbo. I've got no problems with that. Brilliant. 9 out of 10. So enough of me waffling. Let's quickly get outside and look at plenty of beam shots. Goodbye.